Alexa, turn on all light. Alexa, turn off all light. Hey, hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to make a very interesting home automation system. In this home automation system we will able to control our home appliances through voice command. In this project we will control our appliances using Alexa smart speaker, and apart from this Alexa we will also control via manual switch buttons as we traditionally do. And we can also control devices from Amazon Alexa smartphone application and also monitor the status of devices, either it is on or off. Let me show you. You can give instruction to control your devices even in your regional language like in Hindi. Alexa, सारी लाइट ऑन करो. Alexa, सारी लाइट बंद करो. Apart from these features, I also created routine. For example, if in the night I want to turn off all the devices, just we need to say good night. Alexa, good night. And in the morning, if we want to turn all the lights, just we need to say good morning. Alexa, good morning. Alexa, good night. This is very basic routine. You can create any routine according to your need. Here our Alexa will directly connect to the ESP32 via local server, so we don't need any third party cloud. For making of this project, we only need Alexa smart speaker and 8-node SMT home automation PCB. In case if you don't have Alexa speaker, even then you can make this project using Amazon Alexa smartphone application, which is available for both iOS as well as for Android. And this smartphone application will work in the same way as the Alexa smart speaker work. During the video, I will explain code, circuitry and connection of the bulb and switches. So I will recommend to you watch complete video. And if you want to purchase this SMT home automation PCB, check the link in the video description. Now let's get into this video. This is the schematic of PCB. If you want to design your own custom design PCB, then you can download this schematic from the link given in the video description. After making the schematic, convert it into PCB, arrange and place all the components in the desirable places. Once the layout is ready, route the wiring and complete the design of PCB. After the completion of PCB design, you need to download 3 files which will require during PCB order. These files are BOM, Gerber and CPL, that is pick and place file. Download these files from here. Now open JLC PCB website and click on Quote Now button under PCB assembly. Click here to upload the Gerber file of your PCB. Here JLC PCB will automatically set all the parameters of PCB. Select the PCB quantity and color masking of PCB by yourself. Scroll down below and select for PCB assembly. Here you have to select on which surface you want to PCB assembly, either on the top side or bottom side. In my case it is top side. After that click on confirm button. For PCB assembly we need 2 more files. One is BOM, that is bill of material, and the second one is CPL, that is pick and place file. Upload these 2 files one by one. Here you need to give the description about your PCB, for which purpose you want to make this PCB. I am giving here ESP32 home automation. After that click on next button. All the components were shown here that are to be assembled. In case if you want to not assemble any particular component, then you can deselect that component here. After checking all the components, click on next button. Here you will see all the component that has to be assembled by JLC PCB along with the pricing. Now click on save to cart to complete your order. After 7 days, PCB arrived at my place. As usual, the quality of PCB is very premium and the assembly components are soldered very well.
To flash the code into ESP32 chip, I will use ESP32 development board. Now make the connections according to this schematic.
This is the code for this home automation project. Before you upload the code, you need to add this ESP Alexa and ACE button libraries in your Arduino IDE. To add these libraries, go to Tools and click on Manage Libraries. A pop-up will come. Here in the search box, type ESP Alexa. Install this library after selecting latest version. I have already installed this library, so I am leaving it. After installing this library, search ACE button library by typing ACE button in the search box. Now install this library also by selecting latest version of it. After installing both libraries, close this window. Here in this section of code, you have to enter the SSID and password of your router or hotspot. And here we have defined the total 8 devices and also give the name of each devices. These names will appear in the Alexa app when we will connect ESP32 with Alexa. More truly, these are the names of devices. You can give any name you want according to your choice. After that, code will remain same, no need to change anything. Just download this code from the video description and make the changes that I just told, and straightforward upload this code after selecting right board and COM port.
After clicking the upload button onto the PCB, I will press and hold the boot button and press the reset button once to make this module go inside the boot mode.
Download Amazon Alexa app in your smartphone. This app is available for both iOS as well as for Android. In the app, tap on Devices, then tap on plus icon on the right top corner of the app. Then Add Devices. Here scroll down and select Other. Here click on Discover Devices. Here Alexa speaker is searching for the devices. It will take few seconds to find the devices. Here you can see Alexa found total 8 devices. Now tap on Next button. Here total 8 devices are connected to the Alexa. Now set up all the devices one by one. Make the connections of all the bulb and switches as per this schematic diagram. Now everything is done. Let's see project in action. Alexa, turn on all light. Alexa, turn off all light. Alexa, turn off all light. Alexa, turn on all light.